Hi friends, good morning. ICAI has came up with a new syllabus which is applicable from May 24 exam onwards. So here we are launching a batch as per the new syllabus. The batch is for CA Final Paper 1 Financial Reporting. Sir, what about auditing? We'll come out with the auditing batch once this financial reporting batch is getting over. So let's see the details of the batch. It's a regular batch in English, covering your entire syllabus. So everything 100% syllabus will get covered and it's a regular batch. It's applicable for May, November 2024 as well as 25. So those students writing exams in 24 as well as 25, they also can take up this batch. It will be a live online batch plus a recorded backup will be given to you. So, sir, what in case we miss the classes? The recorded backups are there for you. So it's a live online batch. The timing will be daily evening 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. Okay, the duration is 225 hours. Timing I already told you, 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. for live online. It starts from 16th August, the next day after Independence Day. The 16th August it starts and it will be completed by 15th of October. The duration approximately, if you count, it's around 3 months. Sir, how do I watch it? You can watch it on your laptop or mobile. Yeah, sir, can I watch it on both? Yes, you can watch it on both. But once the device is registered, it has to be watched only on that device. So one mobile, one laptop. So material, excellent material will be given to you, which will cover all your ICI questions, your RTPs, as well as your exam questions. And this material will be given to you in printed form. Yes, the physical copy of material will be provided to you. And my USP, the daily motivation. The daily motivation by Niket sir definitely will be there for you, so don't worry about that. Now, sir, how do I book it? So currently till 10th of August, we are running offer. The pre-booking price is 10,000 plus GST. From 11th August, it will become 11,000 plus GST. So you are having a discount of 1,000 rupee plus GST till 10th of August. So make sure you purchase it. You buy it out till 10th of August. And sir, for purchasing, you need to go to our website yashashacademy.com. The link of the batch as well as the purchase is given in the description box below. So I hope this sums up about the new batch launch. In case you have any query, put it down in the chat box. We'll be happy to reply all your queries. See you all in class. Bye-bye. Take care.